Hi, so I am here attaching my results that with this technique I have manifested a job in my life. So you can see the attached pictures here, that how I manifested it, so you can also do it. What if I told you that in just 5 days you can reprogram your mind and attract anything exactly what you desire? So hello beautiful souls, this side Arush is saying as a Kiran Tarot, and I am here to guide you that how simple rituals in daily life can transform your destiny, can simply change your destiny. And here I am going to tell you that how you can use this technique and attract anything in your life. Technique is very simple, very powerful 555 manifestation technique which helps thousands of people to attract their love, manifest their dream life and to attract their dream career. So this is not simply a magic, but it's a reprogramming technique with your emotion and intention. So let's see that what you have to do to attract anything to change your life, and let's see. So here is how this technique works. So you have to choose one clear intention. It can be anything, okay? After deciding your clear intention, then you will going to write that intention for 55 times for 5 days. Again I am repeating, you have to write it for 55 times for 5 days, and after that you need to let it go. You need to believe that it's already happened and you need to let it go, the technique. So how it works, that you need to write this technique in a present tense. For example, you want to attract the job in your dream company, then you will going to write, I am grateful that I am working in my dream job with abundance and happiness. So the main key of this key is you don't have to rush. You will going to just write it, feel the emotion and imagine that it happened. This is not just simple, as I told you, it's not a simple magic, it's a very reprogramming technique. So you need to understand the basic concept of this technique, you know how it is working, because it's very necessary. If you're not going to understand this thing, then maybe it will not going to manifest it, or you will not going to attract it, because there are many people also who do this technique but didn't get the results. So listen this very carefully. So when you repeat something with emotion, you send the signal to the universe, and in corresponse, universe see these frequencies, see these signals what you are emitting, and then your subconscious just start accepting the truth. And when your mind believes, your realities follows. So this is as simple. For example, that if a person has the habit of getting their partner changed, or feeling heartbroken every time, hopping from one partner to another partner, they oftenly attract the partner in life who leave them at the certain places, or they just broke up for whatever reason, being other people. Why? Because they are sending the signal to the universe that I am not ready for the committed relationship, I am ready to be switching on the partners. So this is how everything works. So one important rule in this technique, you do not change your desire in just 5 days. You will not going to change your desire. So make sure that your desire should be very clear, that what you want to attract, and then you are going to write it and release it. You have to believe it. You have to have faith in the universe. So you will not going to chase your desire. As soon you start chasing your desire, the outcome will be very far away from you. So the key concept is you do not have to chase it, you have to just release it, and the universe will take care of it. Use that what to desire. There's so many desires you have, there's so many to follow it. So this is very mini audio guided meditation just for 2 minutes. Close your eyes and repeat in your mind with me, I am worthy of receiving my desire. The universe is working for me. As soon as you say this, you know what you want to attract. And you felt peace while listening this, then it means your energy is already shifting and you're ready. At the end, like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment I trust to activate this technique. And if you want any personal affirmation, personal tarot card reading, personal healings, so links are in description box. Do check them out. So thank you and happy manifesting.